first things first, I'm just taking this e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer and I'm just adding that to my face, getting it prepped and primed for foundation time. Next, I'm just taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Medium Honey and I'm just adding that to my lids. You guys already know how I do this as my primer. Then just taking a random beauty sponge that I had laying around and just blend that out. Then taking the Ultimates Bright Shadow by NYX, I'm just going to add that light green into my crease. And just take your time with this windshield wiper motion. I know it looks like I'm going hella fast, but I promise this video is definitely speeded up because I drag. Now I'm just taking the Full Spectrum palette by Urban Decay and taking that green shadow called Hatter and I'm just adding that all over my lid and dragging it into my crease. Windshield wiper motion, let's get it. Then I decided, okay, well, it's not blending correctly. Let me use my ring finger. You guys, that works. Now I'm just taking this Great Lash Mascara and I'm just adding that to my lashes. Using Ardell 251 lashes, you guys already know. Taking the Makeup Forever HD foundation and just putting that all over my face. Okay, enough of that. I'm going in with the BH Cosmetic 116 brush. I absolutely love this brush for blending my foundation out. Like, look, it's just so amazing. I love it. Now I'm just taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and just adding that typically where I always will conceal and cover. So under my eyes, on my chin, nose, forehead. You guys already know how this goes. You guys see this like a bazillion times, but it's okay. Here we go. Now taking that same beauty sponge, I'm just going to dab away and just look at that. Oh my goodness, look at how beautifully that just looks, so clean and crisp and concealed. I am big on under eye concealers. Like, I have dark circles, so this is definitely one of my go-tos. Well, it's like the second best from Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, let me stop. And now we bake. So now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution powder in Banana and just baking away. So under my eyes, my nose, my chin, forehead, all that. Now taking my favorite contour palette, this is the Lorac Pro Contour Palette, and I'm just going to take that light contour in that palette and just contour this face. What? Now I'm just taking this Rose Water by Pearlescence and just setting my face. I love the scent of this, and I'm getting my jam on. I see you, girl, I see you. Now I'm just taking this itty bitty lip liner by MAC. This is the shade Whirl. I obviously need a new one, but your girl hasn't been to MAC, and I'm gonna use what I got for right now. Now I'm just taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Cool Brown. I just received this in the mail. I want to give away. Let's just say I'm super excited because this lipstick is bomb. It's like right up my alley. You guys know how I feel about my nudes and my brown lipsticks, especially during fall. I'm excited. And I'm just taking that same loose powder by Makeup Revolution, the Banana, and just cleaning up my contour. Now just taking the Glow Kits by ABH, the sugar palette. I'm just going into Butterscotch. Taking this fan brush, I'm just going to add that to the top of my cheekbones and just blend it out to my liking. I want to be shiny. Let me do it. Let me be great. Damn. That's the completed look. I know a lot of you guys are always like, well, you use too much green, but it honestly, it depends on how I'm feeling. And, you know, green has been very, you know, connected to my soul and whatnot. But no, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button if you guys haven't already for future posts. I'm posting every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so make sure you guys show your girls some love, because I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like, you guys have no idea. I just be like, they're really watching me. Oh my God, they're really watching me. I'll be cheesy. But yeah, until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.